Class 6. Possessive nouns. Apostrophe and S. A possessive noun shows possession, a relationship, or that something belongs to someone or something. What is a possessive noun? A possessive noun is a noun that possesses something. In most cases, a possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe plus S to the noun, or if the noun is plural and already ends in S, only an apostrophe needs to be added. Example sentence. The boy's pencil snapped in half. In the above sentence, the highlighted word boys is the possessive noun modifying the pencil. The boy's pencil snapped in half. It is clear that the pencil belongs to the boy. The apostrophe here signifies the ownership. So, possessive noun shows possession, that is ownership, a relationship, or that something belongs to someone or something. Here we are going to see three different sentences. Sentence 1 is Alex shot. Second is Alex studied. Sentence 3 is Alex catch. Sentence 1. Alex is short. Here apostrophe S is with adjective, that is short. Alex is short. So the full form of apostrophe S is ISS. ISS is equal to be verb. Sentence 2. Alex studied. Here apostrophe S is with present perfect. Alex has studied. So the full form of apostrophe S is has. Has plus verb form 3. Alex catch. Here apostrophe S is with noun. Alex plus apostrophe and S says that the cat belongs to Alex. So finally apostrophe S shows the possession or that something belongs to someone or something. Again, what is a possessive noun? A possessive noun shows possession or relationship or that something belongs to someone or something. Here again we are going to see four different sentences. Number 1. Alex's house is very small. The highlighted word Alex here stands for the house of Alex. Sentence 2. Where is Mary's books? The highlighted word Mary's here stands for the book that belongs to Mary. Sentence 3. Do you want to go to John's birthday party? The highlighted word John's here stands for the birthday party of John. Sentence 4. I'm going to meet Robert's grandparents today. The highlighted word Roberts here stands for the grandparents of Roberts. Singular nouns. Here again we are going to see three different sentences. Our family went to Alex's house yesterday night. So the highlighted word Alex tells you that the house belongs to Alex. Sentence 2. Is that your neighbor's bike? The highlighted word neighbors tells you that the bike is belonging to your neighbor. Sentence 3. Where is the dog's bone? The highlighted word dogs tells you that the bone is belonging to the dog. Alex singular, neighbor singular, dog is also singular. So all the three are added with apostrophe and S, which means tells the ownership. Alex's house, the house that belongs to Alex. Neighbor's bike, the bike that belongs to the neighbor. Dog's bone, the bone that belongs to the dog, tells you the ownership. Here we are going to again see apostrophe and S in possessive nouns. Sentence 1. Where is the dog's bones? The noun is singular and the bones are belonging to the dog. We have to write DOG dog apostrophe S. Dog plus apostrophe plus yes. Sentence 2. Where are the dog's bones? As a noun is in plural form here in the second sentence, we have to put the apostrophe after the letter S in the plural form of the noun, that is DOGS and then apostrophe. Once again, DOGS plus apostrophe. Coming here, DOGS apostrophe yes is absolutely wrong. We should not write like that. In the first sentence, dog is singular, and in the second sentence, dog is in plural form. So when it is in singular, we have to add apostrophe and s to show the ownership. But when it is in plural form and ends with s, the apostrophe should be after the plural s, which will tell you the ownership. When a plural noun ending with s, it cannot have apostrophe and s, but only an apostrophe mark after the plural noun. Now one question may raise in your mind, how to find whether the sentence is in singular or in plural form? Yes, of course, definitely that will raise in your mind. The answer is you have to see to the context. Another clue is see or listen to the be verb used in the sentence or in the question. Apostrophe and s in the possessive noun again. This is again there are two sentences given here. This is my friend's house. The highlighted word friends tells you that the house is belonging to your friend. Here the noun friend is singular, and so it can have apostrophe and then the letter yes. Sentence 2. This is my friend's house. Friends, the highlighted word friends is in plural form. So the apostrophe is after the yes. The house of my friends. Here the noun friends is plural. So it can have only an apostrophe after the letter yes in friends. Okay. So once again, F-R-I-E-N-D-S apostrophe yes is not the correct way to write. Remember that very well. A plural noun ending with s cannot have an apostrophe and yes, but only an apostrophe after the plural noun, which ends with s. We have to understand from the context whether it is a singular or plural noun. Clear? So, where you have to add only apostrophe and s should not be, should not be written. Okay. So here again in this slide we have three sentences. Okay. First one. Where are the dog's bones? Here dogs is in plural form and it ends with s. So after the s, we have to add up the apostrophe, the bones of the dog. So dog's bones tells you that the bones are belonging to the dogs. I need my teacher's permission. Teachers is in plural form, so the apostrophe should be after the s. The permission of my teacher's permission tells you that the permission of my teachers. The boys' toilet was not open. Boys, plural form, apostrophe is after that. So the boys' toilet tells you that the toilet of the boys, ownership. Here all the three highlighted nouns are in plural form. Clear? Irregular and plural nouns. Irregular, singular and plural nouns we are going to see here. 1. The child's toys are on the table. Child is singular, apostrophe and s. The noun child is singular and the meaning of the word child's toys is the toys of the child. Whereas here in the second sentence, the children's. Child is singular, children is plural. So this is irregular type of nouns. The children's toys are on the table. children apostrophe s. So where you have an irregular plural noun, there you have to add up apostrophe and s. The children's toys are on the table. The noun children is in plural form and the meaning of the words children's toys is the toys of the children. So hope you have understood possessive nouns. Thank you.